Alright guys, alright. I got the heat up that time. I smelled it a little bit, it got it hot. So, we're gonna let it cool down a little minute, a few minutes. That's not from clipping. That's from a lot of power, I guess you could say. I guess 12,000 watts will do it. I mean, I don't know how much it's giving it exactly, but we do know it's a South 12 on a 15-inch subwoofer. I think it's 2,500 or 3,000 RMS. I can't really remember, but we're heating up a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit, and we're gonna try another one of these songs that really can get the inside of this vehicle flexing like I did on the last video. So try not to overpower these things. I mean, I know I am, but I'm just doing it for the video purposes and how far I can push it without, you know, me messing it up. So he's just trying to, you know, prove what he can do. But I'm sure if you put more than one of these in something, it'll be real great. You know, I thought about trying to do 4 of them, you know, in this vehicle here, and bring, you know, move around with it and show it off and whatnot, and let people check it out, man. You know, something new. You know what I mean? Something new. If you're interested in new brands, it's definitely one of them. I'm gonna let this cool off, and then we're gonna come back again in just a few minutes, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. I think I don't know, man. Might have sent it. I mean, I didn't really send it, but I know I turned it on.
Barely.
And it started making a weird noise. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Check it again. Well, it might be time for a recon, guys. That's pretty quick. That's crazy. It don't really look like it, but I guess it could be down there towards the bottom. We'll find out. Right back, guys. All right, guys. All right, so I think it did go. Let's get in here and see. See that right there? It did go. So, I'm gonna check out the website and see if they got some recons or whatnot. I'm sure they do. But if not, I'll just contact them. I know they got some for sale on there. Be sure to check out Colossal Sounds, colossalsound.com. I did do the torture test pretty much to it. It took 12,000 watts. Of course, y'all know it won't take it for long, so that's why the first test I really didn't do for long when I did this test. And but I had to do it again so y'all can see this thing move, man. But anyway, man, y'all can see, you know, you would be probably okay with probably two of these on the South 12. Or for now, you probably be better off with the more of them, the better, you know. So anyway, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Like I said, it is a good subwoofer. It did take the South 12 for a little while, and man, pretty good sub, man. I can't deny it, man. It's pretty good. So y'all check it out. Be sure to see y'all back on the next one.